Here we're going to learn how to properly tear down, inspect, and rebuild the 4060E input Sprag with the proper rotation. First, you'll need to remove the sun gear from the Sprag assembly. The sun gear is held to the assembly by these three tabs. Use an old socket and drive the sun gear away from the Sprag assembly. Remove this snap ring. Then lift off the overrun clutch hub. Once the hub is removed, simply push out the Sprag and inner race from the outer race. Then lift off the first retainer ring, and then the Sprag element, and next is the second retainer ring, and what's left will be the inner race. Check the hub for any cracks. Inspect the inner race where the Sprag element rides. This inner race is completely worn out and will need to be replaced. Also, check the inner race for grooves. If it has any, then it's trash. Both the inner and outer races should show minimal wear as shown here. Now let's reverse the process. Set the inner race down as shown here and install one of the retainer rings. Then set the Sprag element over the inner race. Most 700R4 and the 4060E transmission came stock with the 16 to 28 element assembly and only has one supporting cage. Very accessible to failure. It is highly advisable to upgrade your Sprag assembly to the 29 element dual cage like the one shown here. I've included a link in the description below to the exact one I've used for years and years. Install the element with the cage windows located here on the right side. If you install the Sprag with the windows on the left side, the result will be a no movement condition when you shift the transmission into drive. Take the outer race and find the reset area located here. Set the race on the bench with this reset area down. Now, taking the assembly you just built, flip it over and set it on the outer race. Working the Sprag's levers, fold them over. Fold them over until the Sprag slides into the outer race. Now turn the assembly over and install the other retainer ring. Then install the hub, spin it until it lugs into the inner race. Next, install the snap ring. When you're finished, make sure the Sprag rotates in the right direction. Holding the outer race, the hub should rotate clockwise only. It will freewheel one direction and lock the opposite direction.